So students, let me now discuss the solutions to the sentence transformations. My sister hates animals and will not allow us to keep pets at home. My sister has a hatred for animals and will not allow us to keep pets at home. Number 2, James knew 3 languages and this was an advantage while negotiating the hostage situation with the terrorists. His knowledge of 3 languages was an advantage for James while negotiating the hostage situation with the terrorists. Number 3, I did everything I could do to persuade them to come with us, but with no success. Nothing I did to persuade them to come with us was of any success. Number 4, we expected the weather to be sunny, but it rained heavily. Contrary to our expectation that the weather would be sunny, it rained heavily. Number 5, he has taken to drinking, forgotten his friends, and deserted his family altogether. Not only has he taken to drinking, but has also forgotten his friends and deserted his family. Number 6, John's voice is not loud enough to be heard at the back of the hall. John will have to speak louder to be heard at the back of the hall. Number 7, he is accustomed to a hot bath every morning. He is in a habit of taking a hot bath every morning. He is in a habit of taking a hot bath every morning. Number 8, the reporters frequently interrupted the president during his speech. The president faced frequent interruptions from the reporters during his speech. Number 9, however fond I may be of my country, I shall have to go abroad. No matter how fond I am of my country, I shall have to go abroad. Number 10, John's first impulse was to break into a run. The first impulse that John had was to break into a run. Now fill in the blanks with suitable words. I daren't act against my father's advice. Tourism has taken up much of the piece of hill stations. This should be tourism has taken away much of the piece of hill stations. Then number 3, we bought the entire lot of paintings for rupees 5,000 apiece. The red dress was edged with a border of white flowers. I saw him standing by the river. It can also be near the river or beside the river. Number 6, I haven't any money with me. Number 7, my mother has come down with fever. Number 8, a section officer ranks above a superintendent in office. It can be below also. Then number 9, he admitted he had been taken in by his friend's charming ways. And number 10, the Mediterranean Sea is between Europe and Africa. Now appropriate words, fill in the blanks. The sky was overcast with heavy black clouds and a high wind had begun to blow, filling the air with dust and dry leaves. It was one of those rare occasions when even nature takes a hand in a human fight. Very soon it began to rain. It came down in large sharp drops. It was coming down in large sharp drops and was accompanied by the lightning and thunder which mark a change of season. Agnes was trying hard not to think of her 2 grandsons, but she knew she was now fighting a losing battle. She was trying to hum a favorite hymn, but the pattering of large raindrops on the roof uh, was breaking up the tune. She thought again of the children. How could she shut her door against them? So these are the answers. There could be certain alternative answers for the transformations which I have discussed in the beginning. So you can just check your answers, and then if you have any alternatives, you can discuss with me directly. Thank you very much.